This 2025 Forest River Salem FSX 269 VC is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Cibolo, Texas, 78108 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Antonio. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features a HENLEY interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features couples coach, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.